What does something like 3 to the negative 2, the negative 2, even mean? When we have a power, students often get taught that the power means repeated multiplication. So for example, 3 to the power of 4 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So how does that make sense to multiply a number by itself negative times? The way that we can explain this is by looking at a pattern. Now we'll do this with 2, but we could do this with any number. So 2 cubed is 8, 2 squared is 4, 2 to the power of 0. And this is also kind of an explanation why anything to the power of 0 is 1. The way that we're getting this is that we're just dividing the right-hand side by 2, or halving the right-hand side, while the power on the left-hand side decreases by 1. We can just continue that pattern. So we can reduce the power by 1 again, so 2 to the minus 1, and halve the right-hand side too. So 2 to the power of 1 is a half. 2 to the power of negative 2 is a quarter. This isn't magic. We're just extending a pattern. And that pattern, the fancy name for this, is analytic continuity. And this is how a lot of maths concepts that actually don't seem to make sense when we're just considering the definitions, this is how they start. Negative powers is one example, but 0 factorial, complex numbers, these are all examples of the same thing. Can you think of any others? Share them with me in the comments. I'd love to see them.